going to start with this face because this is the most exciting part. And in our layers panel, you see how it's set up. We have a container called yellow guy, and then we have the left eye and the right eye. And each eye has some shapes, which are just circles of different colors and sizes. Selecting the yellow head. So that's the basic shape. It's yellow. And over in my inspector panel over here, I'm going to go to animations and effects, down to mouse effects. This is brand new. Add. And honestly, it's as simple as this. You can choose any of these mouse effects right here. And so the one that I am going to use is just track. It just tracks the mouse. You can click that and then adjust animation. Now you can actually test it right here on the screen in your dashboard. Now, obviously I don't want that. I want it to be subtle. You can do whatever you want here. There's no hard and fast rules of how to exactly achieve this effect. Play around with it and experiment. That's the funnest part.